Right then, so today what we're doing is, as you can see, we've got the door card off, and what we're actually going to be doing is replacing the mirror, because and what I'm doing is I'm fitting electric mirrors, you see. So we've got the mirror there, let's pop that there, got the wiring loom, got the cover, that cover there, and yeah, so basically what I've done is I've already done the other side, but I thought I'd record this side. That bloody sealant everywhere, it's all over the car. So we need to put in, oh that's the old wiring loom, we don't want that one. We need to put this wiring loom in. So we need to disassemble the door card a bit more, take the speaker out, take this thing off, get this cover, this you know, liner off. May have to do this at some point as well. It's all crumbling, so that's all nice and, oh look at that, whoa, that's satisfying, peeling that off. Anyway, so yeah, we'll get this off, and yeah, we'll start fitting the new mirror. Anyway, what I need to do now is basically remove these little clips here. Let's push them in with my hand, I reckon. A bit tight on this side. Could do it on the other side, but there we go. That's one. That's two. It's a bit more awkward. Let's get this one. That's that one. Take it out of there. Come on. There we go. Brilliant. So that's that all free off. So what we need to do is take that plug out there, and there's a plug here for the central lock-in. Right, so this connector, there we go, that's one off. Now there's also a connector behind the door. This one's a bit awkward. That screwdriver, let's get that seal off. There we go, that's that one off. There we go. That's the old loom with no electric mirror or windows, you know, that sort of thing. Right. Just need to make sure this goes in the right way. Getting it all installed and that. So this needs to, so that one is, yeah, it's the right way around. So it needs to slot into a gap. It's quite awkward, especially when you don't have small hands. Right then, so what I've done is I've managed to get that slotted into the groove it sits in. And then we need to take this bloody connector here. Not very good camera work because it's such a tight, awkward space. Are we in? No, we're not in yet. Right. Okay, I've managed to get that in. It was just a bit awkward. The thing popped out, but yeah, all you need to do is get the inner loom, get it into gap. It should click in, and then that should go in place, and then you can push it in, and then it should hopefully click into place. So that's the new loom in. I need to find a connector for, that's the mirror, so that needs to go up there like so, and we should have also that one for the speaker. This one here is for the electric windows, so that'll go in somewhere when we do that. And this one here is for the central locking, which is this one here. So I'll just get that installed and yeah. Right, let's make sure that works. Where's my keys? Yeah, that works. So, just need to put these back in. Like that. There we go. So I just need to get this one into place now. Where are we? There's our little connector. There we go. So that's in. Good stuff. Just need to refit the bits and bobs now, basically. So yeah. Old cavity wax. Nice and solid in there, look at that. We'll definitely be taking the doors off again so we can actually work in here, and I will be definitely injecting some wax into the bottom of them because over time obviously water has removed that. So yeah. Right, so what we're going to do now is take this cover off. Simple. Need a Torx. Not sure what size they are off the top of my head, but the old mirror now off, so that's good. So here's the electric one. Let's get this installed. Very good. Right, let's get that connected up. Okay, let's see if that moves. I can hear it moving. Cool. So it's now a speaker. Need to reinstall and all the door card and stuff, so that'll be fun. So we'll do that. Okay, so the door card is back on, brilliant, and the mirror has all been cleaned up and it's basically ready to go. So if I can find the right keys that are in my pockets, as you can see, mirror switch all installed. This one's installed. And let's see if it'll work. put the ignition on. There we go. We've got movement. We have movement. And also for the other side, movement, which is good. So there we go. Brilliant. So that's a little addition to the car. Electric mirrors. To be quite honest with you, I don't mind having manual mirrors, you know, they're nice and easy, but it's having to lean over every time you need to adjust the that one there. But yeah, so there we go. That is all good. I'm chuffed with that. So yeah, brilliant stuff. And yeah, so the plan is, what we're going to do is obviously we've got to do the electric windows. Got the loom for that down there, but that'll be at a later date. When we do that, we're going to be doing a bit of work inside the doors, cavity waxing and all that sort of thing, cleaning out and, you know, and refitting that membrane, that plastic sheeting, so water doesn't get in. We'll probably be doing that, you know, not straight away, but when I've got a bit more free time, because today it's getting, the sun's starting to set now, so, you know. But yeah, that's good. These winders, I tell you, they're really stiff. I don't know what it is with them, but you can hear them just like twanging away, and it's just a bit of a pain in the arse, really. So yeah, there we go. So cheers for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of an odd one, but yeah, we'll see you in another video. Take care.